right, Dr. Rollins joins us once again. We're going to be discussing the benefits of giving thanks. Obviously,
That's right.
Thanksgiving's on Thursday, so there's actual medical reasoning saying that it can be beneficial in many ways.
Truly, isn't this good news?
Yeah.
So I want to just comment about giving thanks. You know, gratitude is an emotional or an emotion that we equate with kindness and courtesy to others. And this time of year around the holidays, you know, gratitude is something that is a little bit more on our radar screen. And it's interesting. There's a lot of research on this actually, and it's very fascinating in that you find that people that are grateful people have better health physically, mentally, and better implications for society as a whole. And so what I mean by that, there's some great studies that just show, you know, people who log every day, log things they're grateful for versus log things that are annoying or irritating, there's a huge difference in how they feel. And so there's some really great studies that show, you know, people that are grateful tend to psychologically be much happier. They're more optimistic, they achieve goals, they tend to have less depression, these types of things. You also find physical benefits. People that are grateful tend to sleep better, they tend to have more energy, more mental focus, but also you'll see less heart disease, you'll see people that have better recovery from injury, less illnesses. So this is some really concrete evidence that shows being grateful is a unique emotion that has a lot of benefits.
Now, do they know exactly what the connection is there, why that's the case, that medically
you know, it probably ties in with, like, stress is bad, this is the opposite of stress, a feeling of happiness. And, you know, along those lines, gratitude or being grateful is a lot like happiness. It's contagious. And when you study the ripple effect of it, if I tell someone, Taylor, I really appreciate what you do here at the news station, you guys are all great, and I want to speak specifically about what it is I'm grateful for. I appreciate that you're always so dapper and pleasant to work with and ask great questions. That has a ripple effect that is shown to go on beyond the rest of the day. You may spread that. So it's kind of like pay it forward, the original paying it forward, if you will.
Sure, and you mentioned that it can have social implications as well.
Yeah, like I say, it tends to work its way through your network of people, and that old saying, pay it forward. I think, you know, in places like the workplace, for example, you know, if you appreciate your boss or you appreciate your employees, take the time to tell them, and it ripples through your workforce. I want to give a homework assignment to you all. I want you to continue this spirit of being grateful in the holidays, and think about this every day in your life. It's a great stress reliever for you, but it also impacts the people around you. For some of us, you know, it's easier than others, and so you may have to conscientiously make a list every day of 2 or 3 things you're grateful for. Simple. It doesn't have to be anything grandiose. Maybe you're grateful for a chance to take a walk or spend time with family, grateful for a friendly neighbor, whatever. Take the time to appreciate the things you're grateful for, and then act upon it. Tell the people that you are appreciative specifically what it is.
All right, well, we're thankful for you, Dr. Rollins, for that advice. Thank you so much for coming in. If you have any questions for Dr. Rollins, you can contact him with that information right there on your screen. We'll be right back.